Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a hot cocoa. So yeah, let's get started. So start by adding about a cup of milk. Next you're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. So yeah. So after you add the tablespoon of sugar, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And then you're just going to give it a good mix. And after you do that, just add some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is obviously optional. Next, you're going to microwave it for 1 minute. After you do that, add another sprinkle of cinnamon. After you add another sprinkle of cinnamon, you're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So yeah. So I'm just going to do that right now. Okay guys, so I'm still pouring out the vanilla extract. So you're just going to add a teaspoon of vanilla in. And then finally, just give it a good mix. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.